at where we are at home, and we are remodeling our little cabin that we have built, and going to try to see if we can make some improvements and possibly, get the roof raised up on it about a foot and stuff. But the air conditioner's already gone, the windows out, solar system's off the top of it, and everything's been boxed up, put in its place, and try to organize it so when we start to all put it back together, she's not hollering at me, where is that? Where is this? Where is that? A little bit of look from the back end to show you that the deck's going to come off and be redone and stuff, and there'll be some work done inside and little improvements. The air conditioner will be moved to the back end of the little cabin and stuff. So, but anyway.
Okay, we started filming a little late. Okay, that was the box that was on the front end. It sat right here. Batteries, everything was in the box. And let me give a piece of advice. Never have to take apart something you never meant to be taken apart, because it becomes rather difficult. On the other side, he's getting ready to try to take the roof off. So this had a window in it, and it took him forever to get the window out, because I'm serious. When we put this together, we didn't mean for it to be taken apart, because we knew we would be traveling over some rough roads, and we wanted it to stay together. I have to admit, we spent about probably 10 months on the road last year, and we only had one major problem, which I'm really not going to talk about here. Maybe Butch will want to talk about later. Inside, we pretty much got everything out. The dust ruffle around the couch / bed is still there. By the way, we really should have washed it before we brought it in. That gives you an idea of some of the roads that we traveled. We didn't even clean our boats off, our yaks, before they went up to the ceiling. Yeah. He does all the heavy stuff. He does all the stuff that takes some, I'm not going to say intelligence.
No.
I think that might be going a little too far. He says it's too far. We are, one thing we're going to do is we're going to get a microwave. Okay, it's got the first piece of plywood.
Well, this side of the roof, outside is off. All we gotta do now is get the other side off. What a deal. Think our insulation wasn't seen.
But now what's giving you a problem? What's
Too much detail in the wire.
too much detail in the wiring?
Yeah.
And too many.
It wasn't supposed to have to be taken out.
No, it was meant to go in and stay in.
Yeah.
And it wasn't supposed to have to come out. So we're extremely well insulated. And it works pretty good. We have a curtain on the inside that if it's severely cold, we'll drop the curtain down, and that keeps the cold from coming in through the doorway. Wait just a minute. Wait a minute. Let me put this, oh, you got it?
Yep.
There goes our other sheet. Roofing. And now we're ready to, no, but we're ready to continue Okay, the sides have gone up. The window. He's working on the storage box and also the extra space that we're going to gain on the inside. You can see he's got the spot for the generator. Batteries are in, the inverter's in, the electrical that'll be needed for both the battery and the shore power. The boards that have been put up there are boards that came off of our first house that we bought from a dear friend. And her house was built for her when she got married. And Butch, when was Frances' house built, do you think? Okay, her house was built in 1957. So that gives you an idea. When we remodeled the house, we saved boards. And so now we're using it on our new little cabin. Okay, starting to get the insulation in the top part. It's all been caulked, and this is going to be the inside shelves. That's where the microwave's going. We've been talking about putting a microwave in here for about 10 months now. So, a new window.
Side there, and then the front pieces will go on the other side. Kind of the new front end on it and stuff. You can see a little bit right there also.
Okay. We're getting two pieces out of one piece. But
you just stay over there.
we have to get it marked, and now comes a task. I'm sure there would be people out there that say, well, just throw it up there. It really doesn't make any difference. And you would think we're in that category. But we are actually picking to begin with, I have to say there is a right way and a wrong way to hang metal. You would think that they would all just go up there, but they don't. There is a right way and a wrong way. We have them laid out. It takes 4 sheets for each side. We have them laid out. What he's going to do, he's going to get it studied out in his mind. Okay, there he goes. Oh, no, no, no. You put that piece at the top.
That's what I'm measuring right now.
So, why
I don't
is it
know if I need to put it
it
here or here.
why is it most of that will be cut out? I don't understand.
The window.
Oh. Oh.
One piece will come right here 2 foot.
Okay.
And then it's 2 foot over that way.
Okay, so it's just going to be a
And
strip.
then it'll be 2 foot here. And then there'll be a strip of it here. And then most of that would be cut out.
Okay. Is it going to be at the top?
Yeah, it'll be at the top.
I thought we were starting at the back.
We are, but
Oh.
this is 8 foot. See, this piece up here will probably cut off.
Oh, that's going so good.
They're all going to go on that side there, and then the front pieces will go on the other side. Kind of the new front end on it and stuff. You can see a little bit right there also.
Okay. We got our foam up. We spray foamed. We got some cracks that we've got to fill in with the fiberglass insulation. Got the beam painted in the middle. Needs another coat. But we're going in to pick out the boards. It's going to start the ceiling. So looking forward to that. Can't wait. And we shall see. Okay, these are the boards that are going up in the ceiling. We're actually going to use that side of them. These boards came out of a beautiful case that was in a drugstore. In the drugstore, yeah. And they're all different widths. They're all the same length, but they're all different widths. So we went through all of them after I'd sanded them off and wrote the width on the wood, because we have to have this, we want the same thing on one side that we have on the other side. So it looks kind of like the same thing, only different. So we wrote it out. We wrote down all the widths, and then I took and matched each side. So all we had to do when we were ready to do the ceiling was lay out our boards, and we know we have to have 2 boards per. So we shall see, and it's like 22 degrees or something. Yeah, Butch did some cleaning this morning so we can actually get around. He's been burning little scraps of wood that he's not going to be able to use. And our poor little boats are hanging from the ceiling. Okay, porch has been disconnected from the cabin. It's in for a repaint. Okay, folks, we just about got, or he has just about got the ceiling in. We got that little space down there. Now, I was talking earlier about this wood, and I don't know that I ever finished. It actually came out, there was an old drugstore. Was it in Mississippi?
Yeah, Mississippi.
Mississippi. Somewhere in Mississippi. My mother had an antique shop. And
She put it in this antique shop out here in 71, I think.
It was a huge shelving system that had beveled mirrors all in the back of it, and there was the base, and it had the top of the thing, and then the 2 shelves underneath, and then there was, you came up from that, and then there were like 4 shelves. It was really, really tall. So she put it in her antique shop, and it sat there for what, 30?
That's from 1971, about 48 years out there.
Out there.
Well,
So it was old in the old drugstore. Shelves here, and I just leaned back. Thank goodness I got a cap on my head, because I just leaned back and I realized that my hat was hitting the wet paint on the shelves.
the window casing is in. Get it trimmed in the morning early after the master of the caulk gun does her wonderful thing. And we are coming along on We used to have 4 lights in the ceiling, now we have 6. And they're individually, you have 3 on or 6 on, whichever, and everything, so updated.
Solar is going on. He wanted to give us a cashier's check. Okay. Finally, the inside is moving right on along. Looks like a big mess. Here's our boards there on that side that are ready to go up. Okay, we'll start this again. He moved the saw from the garage to this point. Sorry about my finger. While he's got the other saw over there. It is coming together. Looking a little bit different from yesterday. What are you doing?
Drilled a hole so the wire could come through because it didn't come that way last time.
Oh,
Modification.
you gotta remember folks, this is the second time around for that shelf and that light.